right, you guys, let's go ahead. We have a 15-minute quick walking workout. You can do this on your lunch break, or if you just want to get a quick workout in, go ahead and march it out big here. Let's go. I feel good. How about you? Big march here. All right, make a fist. We're getting ready to step it forward and back. Right leg, watch me. Pick it up. Oh, yeah. Good. 4 more. 4, 3. 2. 1. March or jog here. All right, from here, we get ready to take it over 2 to our right and then to our left in 3, 2, 1. Here we go, push. Oh, yeah. Good. Take it out. Four more. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. March or jog here. You can add the jog. Push it out. All right, go ahead and get those fists. We step forward in 3, 2, 1. Take it up. Let's go. Push. Let's work. Four more. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, march it here. Let's go. Oh, yeah. We're getting ready to take it over for 2 to your right and left. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go, push. Take it over. Let's work. 4 more, let's go. 4, 3, 2, march or jog, let's go. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling good. This quick walking workout here. Let's go. Breathe. All right, can you give me some quick feet here? Let's go. Push. 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 All right, march or jog. Let's go. Oh, yeah. All right, from here, step touch. Let's go. Touch. All right, with this step touch, we're gonna add a knee lift. So tap, knee. Good, let's work. Eight, 7, 6, push. 5, 4, 3, 2, get ready to march or jog. Here we go, push. Oh yeah. Make it bigger here, let's push. Oh yeah. 4 more, 4, 3, we get ready to go back into that step touch. Are you ready at home? Here we go. We get ready to add that knee lift. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh yeah. Push. Wherever you are watching from, I hope you're having a good part of your day. Good. 4 more here. 4, 3, 2, march or jog. Let's go. If you're jogging, we're here. If you're power walking, we're here. Let's fight. Oh yeah. We get ready to make it bigger. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Push, fight. My joggers, keep pushing. You got it. Keep fighting strong. In 3, 2, go back into that step touch. Here we go. All right, from this step touch, we're just gonna bring that knee lift. Good. Add some arms here. Crunch in the middle. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Step touch here. How we feeling? 2 songs are down. All right, palms facing your thighs. We're gonna bring those elbows out. Take it back down. Quicker here. Yes, let's work. Pull it up, let's push. Pull, bring those elbows out here. 4 more, 4, 3, 2. All right, keep those legs out wide. Let's tap it out here. All right, for the next move, we're getting ready to go into some leg curls with your right leg. Watch me. 4, 3, 2, alternate right and left. All right, left leg. Alternate. We got it. 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, alternate. Hold it here. 4, 3, 2, alternate. And if you feel comfortable, give me some arms. Alternate. Let's work. Alternate. So everything is in 4. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Alternate here. 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alternate. 4, 3, 2. All right, tap it out here. All right, bring it in here. All right, let's go ahead and keep those legs out wide. Tap it here. From here, we're gonna make a fist. Alternating leg curls right and left. Watch me, here we go. Add a little punch out. Let's work here. I see those legs firing it up at home. Way to push through. Are those legs on fire? Let's go. 4, 3. You're gonna give me repeaters. 2, 1. Give me 8 here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Other side. Are you ready? Let's go. 6, 5, 4, 3. Other side. Let's work. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Last one. Let's work. All right, step touch here. All right, we're in our last song here. And we start to bring that heart rate down. Give me a big march or jog here. And then we're gonna bring that heart rate down after this one, okay? Give me that fist. We punch right and left. Let's go, push. Good, let's work. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. We punching out in front. Go ahead and join me. Let's work. All right, can we make those arms go faster here? Jab it out. There you go. 4 more, let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, from here, tap it in front. Tap. Oh yeah, let's go. All right, go ahead, back into that march. Give me those arms. We punch up to the ceiling. Are you ready to speed it up here? Let's go, push. Oh yeah, let's work. I love your enthusiasm, your energy. Keep it all you got, keep giving it. 4 more here, in 4, 3, 2. We get ready to punch it in front. Are you ready at home? Let's go. We went right into the fast punch. Let's go. Oh yeah. 4 more, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, tap it in front. Let's go, tap. All right, from here, clap it out. Let's go. Get low. There you go. Clap. 4 more. 4, 3. We're almost at the finish line. 2. I want you to give me a big march or jog. 1. Let's give it all you got. Here we go. Push. If you're jogging, let's work. Oh yeah. Don't stop. You are almost there. Keep fighting. Keep pushing. In 4, 3, 2. Step touch. Here we go. Push. How we feeling?
Feeling that I can't explain. That I miss you more when I'm away.
Great workout, everybody.
And I swear
Time flew by, right?
But when you're here, I think I need some space. We've always had good
Clap it out here. In 4, I want you to give me heel taps. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go, tap. Bring that toe up to the ceiling. Pulling those arms, elbows back. Good. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Step touch here. All right, palms facing in, arms into an L. We lift and lower. Working some of those shoulders before we get ready to stretch it out. 8 more, let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Let me hear you count. 3, 2, 1. All right, from here, tap heels. And those elbows back. All right, from here, bring that heel up front. Let's reach it up. Pull it down. Stretching, reaching towards those toes. All right, let's go to the other side. Heel is down, toes are up. Pull it down. All right. Yes. Give me circles. Other way, let's push. All right, bring those hands up to the ceiling. Pull it down. Feel that stretch in your back. Let's do that again. Bring those elbows down. All right, from here, bring that right arm across. Sometimes it's just good to move your body. Movement is the important part. For anyone who is struggling with stress, if you think about the word emotion, right? That means that it should be some motion, okay? To help with your emotions. So movement helps with stress. You don't want those emotions to stay stuck. So get your body moving. Go ahead and shake your head, yes. Shake your no. Give me circles. Other way. Thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed this workout. If you would like to have a longer workout, you can check out one of my other workouts. As always, if you have not subscribed, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then share this video with a family member or friend. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you all next time. Bye.